Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cinematic Nation. I am George, and today I want to share with you the unboxing of the Jean-Claude Van Damme action figure from his character Frank Dux in the 1988 film Bloodsport. I'm sure you've seen the movie. I've seen it multiple times. I'm super excited because I got the action figure. It actually arrived today, so I waited to do this video and share with you the emotion and the details of the actual action figure. Here you go. I never thought in a million years they were gonna make an action figure of Jean-Claude Van Damme, one of my favorite actors all time. Me being an action figure collector myself, as you can see, I have a couple here on my back. So having said that, hey, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Super excited. One thing I want to point out, I don't want to damage the package, because this one I really want to collect everything that came with. So let's go ahead. Alrighty. Man, this is a popular movie, so I'm sure you're aware of this movie. Probably seen it a million times, but like me. So, like I said before, this brings joy to my life. So now I'm gonna take out the actual piece and go step by step describing what I find and what I see inside the box. All right, I put some close up on the camera so you can appreciate better the view while I'm unboxing the figure out of the box. All right. One thing I wanted to point out is that the figure has over 20 points of articulation. I'm a huge fan of McFarlane action figures. They usually comes with 22 points of articulation for better posing of the action figures. This one, the brand of the action figure is Diamond Selection. Here on the bottom. Okay. I like the picture on the back. It looks awesome too. Alright. And first thing I'm gonna take out is the shares. Yeah, hell yeah. From that scene when he's doing the split. And we have the action figure here. Hopefully is a good quality. Okay, normally I will test it out that all the parts are moving well and it's not factory damage or anything. So moving the feet, moving the legs. There we go. Okay, so far so good. Okay, fists, elbows. Okay. There you go. Got me scared for a second. Alright. Cool. Arms, shoulders. Okay. So far so good. So legs. Oh my god. Pretty excited with this. Head. All right, so everything is working fine so far. So yeah, I think we got a good figure. So look at the face. And so it comes with the 2 chairs, obviously the figure, and it comes with a couple sets of hands if you wanna do different poses. So actually it's two pairs of hands, and obviously the face with the bloody nose. For sure I'm gonna put this face at some point, and it comes with 2 bottles. One is broken from like the scene from the movie, and yeah, all right. And it comes with a stand, so you can put the figure standing up and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I wanna do the chair pose for the time being, for the purpose of this video. So let's see how it goes. Here we go. Let's do it like this. Just want to look good on the. Want it to look good on the camera, on the video. So. All right, so after a little bit of trial and error, that's the best that I could come up with for the time being, for the sake of the video. So yeah, pretty excited about it, and I'm very happy with the figure. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, the unboxing of the Jean-Claude Van Damme figure from the 1988 movie Bloodsport. Hopefully you like what you saw from the figure. I forgot to mention that I got the figure from toywiz.com, or you can check it out on amazon.com as well. Amazon is selling it as well. So I paid $27.99 for it. I think Amazon now has it for like 40 something bucks. So you gotta be on the lookout for it on different websites. So that's all that I have for now, and hopefully you enjoy the unboxing of the figure. I'll see you guys in the next one with another unboxing.